Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this bitmap, and it's got watermarks and want to know how to get rid of the watermark. This is relatively easy. It's less than, I've reduced it for the one I'm doing it for. It's less than 3. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4, and I'm going to get rid of the yellow box for just a second, and I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, Clip Art. It does it pretty quick, and then I'm going to say okay, and I'm going to nudge it over. Now, I don't care about the watermark. The watermark is inside of all the black. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take a rectangle, and we're going to fill it in, and it's going to, I'm going to use something other than black. It's going to fill in all the black spots, except for this right here. And I'm going to fill that in. And I think even the eyeballs there. So now if you look, we have all the items. Now let's get rid of this for a second. Whoa. Get rid of that red outline. And all we have to do now is select it all. I'm going to get, well, you know, I picked yellow on a yellow box is what the problem is. So let's do this. Let's just use the Smart Fill tool on this time in blue. And I'm going to fill that in. See, we got everything but the eyeball and the one little skinny. So I'm going to nudge that over, get the eyeball, and try to get that little line. I have to zoom in a little bit, get the Smart Fill tool. That line is separated. And look at that. In just a few steps, we got rid of it, and then you could take it and make it all black. For a engravable, they did tell me they wanted to engrave it. That's have a little trouble zooming. Pretty sharp. That would engrave great. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.